I would like to put some points on our dramas games we played around. If you critically observe all the dramas that we play, in fact, most of those play describe that our moral life is being destroyed, has been destroyed. All these representatives who acted in drama, these are the reality that's happening in our community today. That's what we need to fight for. We fight against that. You as a man, you need to be faithful to your woman. As well, a woman. We, the gentlemen, those who have money, those big people, please, we should not destroy this young girl. Back home, it is now like it is very normal. That's what it used to happen. Social media ni grogu nga budenga 10 years aboro adno vuse tombroyo liko kokore pa dandarale. It was a surprise that in Tombra I found a girl of 10 years was pregnant. This one we really need to avoid it. Much thanks, I cannot go so long. We need to fear God. Avoid those wrongdoing. As we live in this country, we are an image of what happens back to our home. We have to present good image here for people to see what happened back home. Mostly, we need to respect the orders or the rules and the regulation of this country. We follow it strictly. From the government side and in the church. We need to be people who are law-abiding people, well-respected. Songo apaya songo manga ro ligu magasino azande adoberenga sinazan. As for my side, I am always around. Any help necessary, I will provide it to this group. Nyane makana dunga apaya mbori tunoni ikesironi progoni akoro. Tamba etipa bugoni dunga apaya kona manga haname.